Welcome inside a banana bread factory, where baking becomes automation.
Hands, hairnet, then line.
All set.
Today you'll see every step, from raw bananas to packed loaves.
Hairnet tight, boots clean.
Checked.
Hygiene first. Strict safety rules protect every batch.
Feeds clean, steady.
Copy. Steady.
Fresh bananas arrive in bulk and move straight to sorting lines.
Scans green.
Keep it moving.
Machines separate bananas by size and ripeness for consistency.
Sensors detect color and quality in seconds. No guessing.
Pass again.
That's the point.
Reject bin. Good. Logged.
Any bruised or damaged fruit is removed immediately.
Next, the bananas are washed to remove dust and residue.
Rinse is on.
Keep it clean. High-pressure jets clean quickly without harming the fruit.
Pressure stable?
Good, no bruising.
Excess water drains before peeling begins.
Drain lines clear?
Send it to peel.
Clean peel.
Efficient, keep pace.
Peeling is automated, fast, clean, and super efficient.
Byproduct bin full.
Swap and seal?
Peels are collected separately for recycling or animal feed.
The peeled bananas go into a sealed hopper to stay fresh.
Seals locked.
Keep it fresh.
Now the magic starts. Bananas are turned into smooth puree.
Flow looks smooth.
That's our base.
The puree moves through stainless steel pipes to mixing tanks.
Transfer is running.
Tank 1 ready.
Recipe loaded.
Run it inside.
Every recipe is programmed. Exact measurements, every time. Flour is dispensed automatically from large storage silos.
Auto dispense on.
Target weight. Sugar is weighed precisely for perfect sweetness.
25 on the dot.
Perfect.
Fats are dosed carefully to control softness and moisture. Flow rate steady.
Keep moisture on spec.
Egg linals flowing.
That'll build structure.
Liquid eggs are added for structure and a rich texture.
Leavening on spec.
That's the lift.
Leavening is measured exactly to give the loaf its lift.
Salt and spices balance the flavor. Small amounts, big impact.
Salt and spice, locked. Tiny dose, huge flavor.
Vanilla in.
That's the aroma.
Flavor extracts are added for that classic bakery aroma.
Bring it together.
Then everything meets inside an industrial mixer. Smooth texture.
Gentle speed.
The mixer blends fast but gently, so batter stays smooth.
This is the texture they aim for. Thick, creamy, uniform.
Uniform.
Nice and thick.
Temperature is monitored. Too warm and the batter changes. Temp steady.
Keep it cool.
Samples are checked to make sure the batch matches standards.
Sample pull. Verify standards.
Now batter is pumped to the depositing station.
Pumping to depositor.
Ready to fill.
Pans aligned. Ready for fill. Loaf pans travel in perfect lines, ready to be filled. Each pan is lightly greased so loaves release cleanly.
Light coat applied.
Release will be clean.
Portion set. Nozzles deposit the exact same amount into every pan. Vibe on, low. Even tops.
A quick vibration levels the batter for even baking. Add-ins on.
Light dose, nice.
Optional add-ins drop in chips, nuts, or extra banana bits. Topping select.
Crunch and color.
Some loaves get a topping for extra crunch and color. Holding on.
Let it settle.
A short holding step helps the batter settle before baking.
Now, the best part. The loaves enter the industrial oven.
Oven's ready.
Sending in.
Time and temperature are controlled down to the second.
Zone temp locked.
Timing's tight.
Multiple heat zones bake the loaf evenly from end to end.
Zones balanced.
Even bake. Airflow auto.
Keep it tender. Humidity and airflow shape the crust and keep it tender.
Watch the rise, leavening activates and the loaf expands.
Rise looks even.
Good lift. That golden top comes from controlled heat and caramelization. Colors coming in,
Hold the heat.
coming out hot.
Looks perfect.
After baking, loaves exit hot and fragrant. Cooling is essential. Packing too early traps moisture.
Let them cool.
No early pack. Airflow cools the loaves evenly without drying them out. Airflow balanced.
Even cool.
Core temp pass.
Clear for pack.
Sensors confirm the center temperature meets the target.
Next, depanning. Machines gently remove the loaves.
Depan cycle.
Easy, no damage.
Pans returning.
Back to wash.
Pans loop back to be cleaned and reused again. Each loaf is checked for shape, height, and color.
Height good.
Colors on.
A metal detector scans products to ensure food safety.
Detector active.
Safety first.
Then a checkware confirms every loaf meets the weight range.
In range.
Every time.
Slicer running.
Even cut.
Some loaves are sliced with high-speed blades, perfectly even.
Soft crumb, tight texture, and no crumbling. Exactly right.
No crumble.
Texture's tight, film loaded.
Feed it clean.
Packaging begins with food-grade film fed into the wrapper.
Each loaf is sealed to stay fresh during shipping.
Seal looks good. Ship ready.
The line prints batch codes and best before dates automatically.
Code confirmed.
Traceable.
Label applied. Info's on.
Labels are applied with product info and ingredients.
Seal check pass.
Good for transit.
Sensors verify seals so packs don't open in transit.
Packs are grouped into trays for easier handling. Tray complete. Send it down.
Boxes up.
Ready to load.
Boxes are formed automatically and prepared for loading.
Robot in auto. Robots load products fast and with perfect consistency.
Seal confirmed. Shipping.
Cartons are sealed, secured, and ready for transport.
A palletizer stacks boxes in stable patterns for shipping.
Layer set.
Stable pattern. Stretch wrap locks the pallet so nothing shifts on the road.
Wrap tension good.
Locked in.
Outbound ready. Copy.
Finished banana bread waits in the dispatch zone to ship out.
On time. On spec.
From bananas to boxed loaves, every step is timed and controlled.
Factory scale.
Done.
That's how automated banana bread is made at factory scale.